let's talk about the car.
All right, so this car did absolutely amazing the other day. For how little was done to this car, you know, as you saw in the last video, it's just Olin road and track coilovers installed by me, so who knows how good or bad. The 295/30 RE71 RSs and the 1810.5 20 T37s. So literally just that and some brake pads that were used. This car managed to do a pretty good time. So with just those couple things, this car did not miss a beat. Like, it doesn't even have a plenum, it doesn't have a tune, it doesn't even have a damn bucket seat. Like, it's pretty much a stock car with tires, suspension, and that's it. And also, this is my first actual like time attack circuit event. I've never driven in my life something like that. I mean, I've done a couple drift events, and I don't even think I've done like Homestead Speedway on a game. So every turn was new, every speed was new. Have no idea what I was really doing, but I guess I have good car control, to be honest. And of course, Joel, my instructor, really helping me out. I've been passenger a couple times in his car, so that's all the experience I had. But yeah, so even inside this car, pretty much stock. I did take out the back seats to just shed some weight, see how it would feel if it felt any different. I had cut the headliner a little bit to clear my head because I'm in this big goofy seat, and not too mad about that. The sunroof was already ruined before, and I have a new headliner for when I do the carbon roof. But yeah, again, it's like, it was a very last minute event. I didn't even have brake pads or brake fluid or even engine oil till the day before, like Friday afternoon. So I had to come across in this group chat, someone had a used set of Hawk DTC 70 front brake pads. I managed to get those, and not even in the rear, because I guess he didn't have the rear, but even with just having the front Hawk brake pads, the car did amazing. I was probably braking at like 70% pedal, and I could definitely brake later and harder if I wanted to, but again, it was a last minute event. I had no plans of going to it, just Joel was pushing me to do it, and I figured, hey, why not? So car did well. Going into it next time, I do want to put the front splitter, the carbon hood, carbon trunk, and I do have Mock Chanel driver seat mounts. I just have to find 2 OMP seats. I have a WRC XL in my drift car, and the XLs don't really fit in E92s because it hits the door panel right here. So I'm not sure if I want to put an XL in here, or maybe I'll be able to fit in a normal WRC, but guess we'll see when the time comes. And yeah, tires are amazing. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully next video we have some more stuff on this car, also something on this car. But yeah, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. As of yesterday, we reached 1,000 subscribers, so fun milestone, and hope to have more content for you guys. So if you haven't seen the other F80 videos, take a look. I have one video on this car, installing the coilovers and doing the tires and all that. And yeah, I'm gonna close out the video. Thanks for watching.